In the beginning, there was the Word. The Word was with God, and the Word was God. The spoken word is a frequency, a harmony, and everything that you hear, of course, you can recognize as being a frequency or harmony, but everything has a harmonious resonance. This was actually described by Einstein, among the early physicists, who described what we call quantum physics. And what that means is that things of this universe are not just solid material, like we think of pool balls, and they always explain atoms like little pool balls and clicking against each other, and that's how atoms work, and electrons, and they always draw little circles and make you think that's a solid thing. These things are not solid, actually. They're more energy than they are anything else. They have a magnetic energy, and they have a sound frequency resonance. Hey, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I know I'm reaching out into a weird conversation for a colorectal surgeon. But the reality is that sound frequency is how we are all put together. As surgeons, as doctors, we use sound energy to diagnose things. We use sound energy to destroy things. And I've always thought it strange, why don't we use sound energy to heal things? And as it turns out, for thousands of years, people have been using sound energy to heal things. So, thus the green bowl before me. What you see before me is a Tibetan bowl. Stay with me. And it is programmed at 528 hertz. It correlates to E on the musical scale. And for those who like the sound of music, that's the mi, the do, re, mi. This is the mi. Well, I like to think of the mi sound as being the one that actually helps you heal. It helps you deal with stress. The green color also seems to correlate with healing and with mitigating stress. And so if you are healing from an operation, if you have been injured and you have a bruise, if you're feeling down and out, expose yourself to green light. Just get a green light bulb. And then play the 528 Tibetan sound bowl. And believe it or not, that is a channel on YouTube. So you don't have to buy an expensive little bowl. This wasn't that expensive, but I got it for my own purposes, for my arthritis. And when my husband has his knee surgery, so I'm gonna have to play the bowl for him.